get dressed really quick and go to the store to get some, what am I going to get? To get some stuff from my dream board party that I'm doing my team tonight. I just burnt the mess out of my mouth. Taylor said she got one of her Christmas presents right here. But I just bought some cookies for the kids to make. What's on the cookies, Nani?
Get over here, crew.
It's a Christmas present. It's snowman.
Yes. What letter does snowman start with?
Snow. I know.
What?
It's S.
Good job. What's the next sound in snow?
Snow. N.
Yes. Then what?
Snow. Oh.
Uh-huh. Then what?
Snow. What?
Snow.
Snow.
Good job. That's how you spell snow. All right, let's put them on the baking sheet. It's not one of your Christmas presents, crazy. I think that's enough. I don't think y'all need to cook all of them.
Because yes, we do.
You're not gonna eat all of them.
Yes, we are.
Put it down, buddy. Good job. Ah, what letter is that?
Oh.
Yep, good job. Good morning and happy Monday, y'all. My daughter just fell down the stairs. So she's holding ice to her face. As you guys know, we have wooden stairs. So he almost had a heart attack, but we're fine. Taylor's fine. Are you okay, Nani?
Yeah.
Promise?
Yeah, I promise.
All right. So now she's doing her handwriting. She's writing a story. Got. What's next?
The T.
Good job. Good job. And then ice cream. Ice.
Ice cream. I know. So the ice. It's the lowercase I.
It's, yeah. Lowercase. Good job. Good thinking. Ice. Ice is spelled I-C-E. I know it sounds like an S, but it's I-C-E because I-S is, right?
But C make.
And sometimes it makes the S sound too.
Oh.
Like C. Like circle. So see, circle starts with a C. Okay?
Okay.
Ice. And E. A E.
Ice.
And then cream.
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 Cream. Cream.
What's the first sound? What's the first sound though? Cream. Yes. What?
I see.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize. Then what? Cream.
Cream. Cream. Cream. R.
Cream.
Cream.
You missed some mouse.
Cream. Cream.
Yes.
I went to my friend's
Friends.
house. We played Barbies.
Got.
Ice cream.
And then you should do a comma.
This is a comma.
Do another comma. And then you can say and.
And
What happened after you ate ice cream? You what? Went home.
home.
So you would say
Barbie.
got
Ice cream. And I went back
I went
home.
Good job. All right, done with that.
I know, guys, you see the bruise.
You don't have a bruise. She doesn't have a bruise. It's just a little swollen. You probably can't even tell. Say, I'll be okay.
I'll be okay, guys. Don't worry.
These stairs hurt my baby. Y'all, it's snowing outside. I don't know if you guys can see it. And while I work with Taylor, my amazing husband watches Camden and Crew. Say hey, babe. Say hey, Nene.
Guys, today's Monday. Guys, I'm sorry. So I know I just want to
What?
tell you.
You sorry.
You telling them what we're about to do?
Guys, guess what? We're about to take Crew. Here you go. Today's Monday. Happy Monday. So, guys, I just finished with schoolwork. Cam is about to go with Dad so he can have his appointment after my dog's appointment. I know you know Crew. He's supposed to have an appointment today, but Dad said yes, we got some pizza. So when he was gone, he's gonna be gone. The pizza's gonna be like here, and I'm already gonna be eating. They're probably gonna be back home when I eat.
Tyler, if it's not coming, you just won't go with Daddy. It's that simple.
Yeah, if it's not coming, if it's not coming, then I won't go with that. That Mommy's right. Yeah, really right.
We're not gonna leave our food on the porch. Come on now.
Yeah. None. Because we do not want our food to leave on the porch.
I'll see y'all later.
I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
So we went to PetSmart, but we took Crew there for his second appointment, and then while he was there, I got him some more dog food and then some outdoor boots for when he goes outside. Especially like today, it was snowing and the ground was very wet. So these right here will come in handy. The little dog boots.
Man, you play too much for those. Can't even fit those. What size is that?
It's a small.
They don't have extra small?
I couldn't find no extra small.
They probably, I don't think that was too big for him.
He'd be alright. Cause like I said, I mean, he got the strap right here so you can like tighten it up.
We gotta show him, babe.
Around
We don't have to try him on. Go hang your coat up, buddy.
His leg.
Go hang your coat up, big boy.
But yeah, I mean, today, like this morning, it was snowing, and that ground was like wet.
Crew.
And he wasn't really feeling it. Like he still went out there and potty, but he won't feel it. He right here.
Come here, Crew.
So we're gonna put him on his feet.
He's about to hate these. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
he's gonna hate them.
Hey, what in the world going on, man?
All right, baby, put your foot in. Just hold it, babe. We gotta put on the other 4. We'll be back.
Let me see. Oh yeah, he ready. Strap him up.
Baby, try to nip my finger. And this is the thing though. CJ not about to put these shoes on him.
Oh, I
every
am.
time he go outside. No. In the middle of the night, if it's
Oh, in the middle of the night, nah, like just go in the mulch. You know the routine. Go to the mulch.
Okay, that's 2.
Yeah,
He like,
2 for 2.
He like they play too much. He like they play.
He feeling it though. He felt like he got Jordans on or something. You know, he feel like he got some Nikes on.
What's up, guys?
Caleb is so clumsy today. I don't know what's going on.
You told him?
Yeah.
When she fell down the stairs?
I told him after.
Like that joint was crazy.
Yeah.
I
Like,
tried to stop. But
I seen that whole thing in slow motion. I seen her tell hit every step with her head, but I still couldn't.
But she did not hit her head. I saw the whole thing too.
But she she was sliding.
Her head was up the
She
whole
was
time.
sliding head first down the stairs.
Yeah, it was head first. That back though, that back took a beating on them stairs.
like that.
And I know like her life
It's
was
not
just passing.
funny,
It's
babe.
not funny. It's really not. But I know her life was passing. Like she was scared.
Round
Mind you, I'm sitting at the counter
He about
eating,
fell.
and I about fell.
I'm
ran
in the
it.
kitchen.
I
I
ran
know
it.
it's nothing I can do. There's no way I can get over there fast enough. I would have had to literally jump across the
Yeah,
Bow.
I know.
Tell him, Cam.
Bow.
Who fell?
Boom.
Taylor.
Boom. Yes.
She did.
Bow.
Look at the camera.
Boom, 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 right? Bow. Hey.
Yeah.
Like that.
Is she okay?
Bow. Hey. Bow.
Yeah.
Down play on the face.
You fell too though before. Crazy thing is, you fell down those stairs than the ones in the front of the house.
And every time CJ be laughing.
I laugh after the fact like they good. Because, I mean,
Man,
It's wild.
that something came off already.
hey, you gotta strap that joint tight
I
like.
did. I'm not about to cut his circulation off.
You
Cam,
not.
get off the stairs. Alright. Y'all ready?
He can go crazy. Oh nah, they tripping. Yeah, he not feeling it. Yeah, he not feeling it.
It's not funny. He don't like it.
But my thing is, I don't even know why they make those.
Well, why you buy them? They make them for idiots like you.
I need my money back.
They make them for clowns like you.
I need my money. Watch out, nothing.
Crew is like, get that off of me. I'm weak. His feet was going every which way.
Like
I
that.
need my money back. Maybe when he get bigger, he'll be alright. What you think?
No, he do not like that.
These joints cost 21 bones.
How do you feel How do you feel that you just wasted your money?
I did.
Hi, guys. What's up, bro?
I knew he was wilding with that, y'all.
I thought it was a good idea. What's up, y'all? Right now, we're out here working out. I'm about to insulate the garage door because when I came out here today, it was mighty cold. Hopefully, it doesn't take long. But I got some stuff I got off Amazon. They said it was pretty good, so I'm going to give it a try. So it's basically just foam or whatever. So hopefully it makes it warmer. I'm not saying I'm trying to get it to be 70, 80 degrees, but if I can keep it normal to where it's not freezing cold out here, then we'll be good. So while I'm doing this, they're over here working out. And Cam is probably about to get on his drum set. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys.
I just finished my workout. I'm so tired right now. I did a 3-mile run, and Cedar has been finishing up the doors while I'm working out. He's doing a pretty good job.
It's all right.
It looks good to me.
I mean, yeah, the cuts are hidden. Let me get this real quick.
All right, babe. I'm going to the house. Get the kids ready for bed.